ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Haye, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Youth Aptitude for Innovation and Invention displayed on National Festival. Seminar on women participation in development initiatives in the Kapare. India and China pledge to maintain peace and tranquility along the border. North Korea offers the first official confirmation that it has detained a U.S. soldier. On our local news, the creativity and invention materials on display at the National Festival 2023 gave evidence of the youth's potential. The visitors on the festival called on the public and concerned institutions to give youth development the attention it deserves while praising their talent for innovation and inventiveness. The participants of the display expressed gratitude for the opportunity provided to help them see their skill and creative potential, as well as for the positive feedback they have been receiving from the festival goers. A seminar on the role of the National Development Program and national issues that was given by Mr. Tesfa Mikael, President of the National Union of the Eritrean Women, to female personnel of the Eastern Command of the Eritrean Defense Force in the Amhara. Mr. provided a thorough introduction of the history and goal of the National Union in the involvement of the Eritrean women in numerous national endeavors and the struggle of equality of the Eritrean women. Mr. praised the heroic effort made by the Eritrean women in the country's development in the struggle for national independence and the defending the national sovereignty, while outlining the role female graduates from various colleges and playing their process in building the country. Mr. urged the participants to increase their overall capacity and participation in the national matters, as they noted that more work needs to be done to fully ensure the equal status of women in the society. The participants commending for the organizing the seminar called and for its sustainability. The number of deliveries at the health station by pregnant women grew dramatically in the first half of this year, according to Nurse Zaid Yurah, head of the health station in Umle Forosab zone. Additionally, according to Nurse Zaid, there are 4% more pregnant women seeking care at the health center and vaccination rates up to 5%. Nurse Zaid noted the success story of the result of long-term awareness-raising efforts to the public's growing understanding of the health issue. She added that the waiting area set up for the expectant woman will significantly improve the provision of health services. Residents of the administrative regions in Denalo, Iromaile, Malka, and Ruba Hadas are served by Umle Health Station, which is located 70 kilometers east of Foro semi-urban center. Dear viewers, we will be back with the international news shortly. Just stay tuned. Welcome back. Chinese and Indian military commanders have pledged to maintain the peace and tranquility along their disputed borders in an apparent effort by the sides to stabilize the situation after the rise of the tensions. The two countries' defense ministry issued identical statements late on Tuesday, saying the 9th round of commander-level talks held on Sunday and Monday had produced a positive, constructive, and in-depth discussion centered on resolving issues related to the line's actual control in the border's western sector. The statement said they agreed to resolve the remaining issues of expedition matters, but there is no indication that either side willing to offer concessions. According to India, the de facto border is 3,488 kilometers long, but China promotes a considerably shorter figure. In all, China claims some 90,000 square kilometers of territory in India's northeast, including Arunachal Pradesh, which is mainly Buddhist population. China, in the meantime, began cementing relations with India's adversary Pakistan and back into the issues of disputed Kashmir. On our last news, North Korea on Wednesday offered its first official confirmation that it had detained a U.S. soldier who bolted into the country last month. King, who has served in South Korea and sprinted into the north while on civilian tour of the border village on July 18, became the first American confirmed to be detained by North in nearly 5 years. The official Korean Central News Agency mentioning an investigation reported that King told them to decide to enter North Korea because he harbored ill feeling against the inhuman mistreatment and racial discrimination with the U.S. Army. The report said King also expressed his willingness to seek refuge in North Korea for third countries, saying he was disillusioned and unequal American society. Dear viewers, we have come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the major headlines. Youth aptitude for innovation and invention. Seminar on women's participation in development initiative in the Kamhara. India and China pledge to maintain peace and tranquility along their border. And North Korea offers the first official confirmation that it has detained a U.S. soldier. That is all with our local and international news. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and have a good night.